Have you ever tried applying for a remote job and towards the end you find out that you're not even eligible to start with? Trust me, I know how annoying this can be. The thing is, most of these job websites do not state if you're eligible or not, and this really affects people that are located in countries like Nigeria, Kenya, India, and even the Philippines. And that is why I love this particular job website I'm going to be sharing with you all. So please stay tuned. Hi, my name is Mariam, and if you're new here, I share smart ways on how to level up your skills, how to make money online, and how to actually grow in this online space. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top websites where you can get remote job, and this website will actually show you if the job is available to you, like if you're eligible to apply for this job. So it's going to show if it is worldwide or US only. You know, for my fellow Nigerians, for my fellow Kenyans, for those in India, Philippines that are having this kind of issues. All right, so let's get started. So my number one recommendation is going to be work remotely. It shows the locations that are eligible to apply. So let's quickly look at it. You can access the website on your laptop or on your phone. So on this website, you can find full-time and also contract jobs. It's also good. It's also really good for tech jobs, programming jobs, design, management and finance jobs, product management jobs, customer support jobs, sales and marketing jobs, you know, project management jobs. You'll find them on Work Remotely, and the website is really easy to navigate, so you do not have any issue. You can see, yeah, this is a sales representative job, and it says it's a contract job. You know, this is the salary they are willing to pay, and this is location. These are the locations. If you open this, you will see the other details that you need. So it's going to show the locations, and if it is open to like African countries or Philippines, most of these countries are having issues when applying to jobs. You're going to see for this one, senior content marketer, you're going to see it says anywhere in the world. So if you're anywhere in the world, you can apply to this job. If you're in Nigeria, you're in India, you're in Kenya, you can apply to this job. So it shows if it's the job is going to be anywhere, if people from anywhere in the world can apply to it or a particular location. So you don't have to waste your time applying and then along the way it tells you you're not eligible. That really sucks, and this does not happen with We Work Remotely, and that's why I really, really like this website. So the next website I'm going to recommend is remotive.io. This is another one that is really easy to use, easy to navigate. We have jobs like software development jobs, customer service, design, marketing, sales, product, project management, and so on. As you can see, it's really good for freelancers also. Um, Virtual assistant, you're not left out. You can get virtual assistant jobs. Just click on see all jobs, and you will see other jobs that are embedded in this website. You see customer service, writing. I think there are some data entry jobs on this website as well. So yeah, when you scroll down, you see the jobs that are listed. Graphic designer job from Contra. See, this is worldwide. So if you're anywhere in the world, you can apply. So this is why I actually like this website, guys. You do not need to waste your time at all or need to get disappointed. All right, so let's move to the third one. Now, the third one is one of my all-time favorites, and it is called goLance. So goLance is for freelancers, majorly for freelancers. You can find a full-time job there, but most times is contract, you know, something that you can do for a short period of time and then move on to another project. All right, so let's quickly look at it. So this is what it looks like. Very easy to navigate. Also on your phone and on your laptop, you can access it from either your phone or your laptop. So you just click on be a freelancer. Okay, so and then you set it up, you log in. You set up your account just like the way you set up your account on Upwork or on Fiverr. You set up your account and then you are going to see these are the jobs: admin support, web, mobile and software development, writing, sales and marketing, design and creative accounting, you know. So you just search for what you're looking for. People are always posting jobs here. And one thing I like about this balance is that it is not overly saturated, you know, so you can go there, pitch, you know, apply for one of them, and then it will, you know, you have a higher chance of them what's it called, of them responding to you. So it is not very saturated, like I said earlier. So that leads me to the third website I'm going to be recommending in this video, which is Andela. So Andela is for majorly for African developers. So you will see a lot of software development jobs, a lot of tech jobs on Andela. You can find project management jobs as well, but it's majorly for developers, for the tech bros and tech guys. So let's quickly take a look at it. The website is easy to navigate. You can access it on your phone or your laptop as well. Okay, so you can just click here and then sign up, or if you already have account, just log in, so you can get jobs like like I said, software development jobs, product and design jobs, quality assurance jobs, so if you are into the tech business, you can try out Andela. It really works. I know of some people on LinkedIn that have gotten jobs from this particular website, guys. So you can actually try it out. So the last one we're going to be looking at today is remoteafrica.io. Like the name says, it is meant for African professionals. So if you're in any of the African countries, Nigeria, Kenya, and so on, this is a website that you can actually check out. So let's quickly look at the website. So it says here, discover the best remote jobs for African professionals. So you just sign in, put in your details, and then you can start looking for the job that you want. So we have engineering jobs, design, product, marketing, customer care, copywriting, and other remote jobs. So even if you're a virtual assistant, you can get something from here. Let's look at other remote jobs. So as a virtual assistant, you can get some remote jobs from here, though there are not enough remote jobs for virtual assistants here, but you can still get some of them. Under this customer support, we have sales rep. If you go to copywriting, business and finance, you can get other jobs as well. But this is majorly, I think more of the jobs they open here is for the tech and product and design. People into tech and product and design. Anyway, this is a really good website for people that are into engineering or tech or product and design. You can see here it shows that it is 100% remote, and also it shows that the location is Africa. So if you are from any of the African countries, you can apply. You can apply to this, and you would possibly get a feedback. Unlike other website that you apply to, and then you get disappointed along the way because you cannot even complete your application due to your location. Alright guys, so that'll be all for today. But there are some key things I would like you to take note of when applying for a job. First, you have to check the location. Make sure that you are eligible to apply for that job in the first place, so you don't have to waste your time. Secondly, your working hours might actually be following US time zone or European time zone. So you have to look out for these things and make sure that you can actually do that kind of job. Because the time difference for someone that is in Nigeria might be like day and night. So you have to check these things to make sure that it actually works with you, that you can actually handle the job. Alright, so that'll be all for today. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know which of these job websites you'll be trying out, or if you've tried anyone at all, let me know the experience from trying them. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.